Hello everyone! Welcome to my stop-motion rabbit tutorial! Aw, isn't she just darling? Here's what you'll need. Plasticine, wire, beads, and of course, a good attitude. It should be pretty easy for you. All you have to do is... I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Please like, comment, and Wait, did you not get that? I guess I can show you one more time. It's not like everyone here is as naturally talented as I am. Let's start with some simple ovals. Now, let's roll out our clay. Oh dear. There seems to be some personal belongings of mine left in the clay. Please don't be alarmed. Let's just take them out and put them aside. I'm not responsible for any biohazardous material that may or may not be present within the clay provided. Now that our clay's ready, let's mold some ovular shapes. Oh dear. If anyone else is experiencing sentient clay, all you have to do is... That was annoying. Now, let's get back to it. No. The proportions are all wrong. They're all wrong! I swear to God, I hate this! I hate this so much! I can't Let's start over. Now let's start with the shape of the face. Now we need 2 long ovals for the ears. Now for the adorable beady eyes. Let's give her an adorable smile. Ow! Jesus! This is fine. We can still work with this. Just try not to get any blood on the clay. If you're noticing you're getting nasty little fingerprints all over the clay, not to worry. It's nothing a little alcohol won't fix. Now that our clay is all clean, let's attach the head onto the body with a wire. Oh God. It seems that we've attracted some critters. On account of the rotting flesh, we can still work with this. Wait, no! Please don't leave! Come on, how do you not like this? We can still do this, come on, please! Aren't you having fun? Please don't leave me! That's it for this tutorial. As always, like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for my next video by hitting that bell. I hope you all enjoyed. Bye-bye!